to Lynn's Kitchen Corner. Thank you for coming back. Today we are going to do pumpkin bread with a half-foot granny apple chopped in half. Most people use nuts, put some raisins in. Unfortunately, we are allergic here, so I'm going to use chopped apple pieces, and like I said, you can use Honey Crisp apple or you can use the granny apple, and this is only a half a slice of it and chopped up. So let's begin with our ingredients here for this pumpkin bread recipe. We're going to put in, and I am also going to be using gluten-free all-purpose flour blend. We're going to try this flour. I normally use almond milk, but I'm open to try different flour blends. So this is how the gluten-free all-purpose flour blend looks like. That is 2 cups and 2/3 of the flour. We're going to do 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 tablespoon of baking soda. I hope you're having a great day, especially watching this video with me, and I thank you for coming to my channel. Tell your friends and families about my channel. I really will appreciate it. Now we're going to have something new here. I have here is natural choice sugar. We're using 1/3 cup of natural choice sugar, and we're using a cup of swerve. Now I have Spice Island pumpkin spice. I'm going to use a tablespoon of pumpkin spice. I love my pumpkin spice. Now we're going to have 1/4 cup of nutmeg. I like the nutmeg. You can keep it out if you don't like it, but I like the nutmeg in mine. And then we are going to have a tablespoon of ground cinnamon. I love the ground cinnamon's taste in my pumpkin bread. That's all the dry. I'm going to go over here real quick and get a spoon to mix the dry up. And I must tell you, my family is loving my breads. Their eyes pop out when I tell them I'm going to make some bread this week for the video. Please start making your breads for your family. This pumpkin bread is very good for the fall time and the winter. Just give that nice scent of aroma smell in your household as it's cooking. And guess what? After it's cooked, your family and your friends and your loved ones will really love the taste of it, or the taste buds. This is mixed really good. We want to make sure we mix it. I love the spoon with little slits in it. To get the baking powder and baking soda, make sure it is all mixed together. Make sure you don't have that in lumps. That looks very good there. Now we're going to start with our wet ingredients for the pumpkin bread. If you just came in, thank you for visiting my corner, Lynn's Kitchen Corner. We will be videoing, I'm whisking up the egg first. We will be videoing on Mondays, and it's Eastern time. Most Mondays. Sometime if I can't make it, it will be on Tuesdays, but I'm working on just being Mondays. And this is 1/2 cup of almond milk, 1/2 cup of oil. I was going to use applesauce, but if you want it to be really, really moist. You want to use good. I use canola oil. Your choice of olive oil or whatever oil that you use. But again, we're thinking about being healthy. Whisk it up together. Now, we're going to put in my favorite thing I love to put in my breads, my cakes, is 1 tablespoon of mayo. I use light mayo. Your choice of mayo, what mayo you want to use. Whisking it up. I love vanilla, the taste of vanilla, so I use 1 tablespoon. You have your choice if you want to use a half a teaspoon. And I use 1/4 tablespoon of lemon extract. If you ever followed my videos and watch my channels, love to put in lemon extract. That flavor seems to mix very well with me on my breads and my families, and it just seems to bring out that taste. Now we have the top apples. It's a half a slice of granny apples chopped. Mixing that in. Then we have a cup of pumpkin. Make sure you squeeze it out. If it has a lot of water, you can use your fresh pumpkin. But this is canned pumpkin. Now that done there, we're going to mix it all together. Cooking is very enjoyable. It's good for calmness, reduce stress, especially when you smell the aroma in your household, and also when you watch your loved ones eat with happiness. Who wouldn't want to take time out to cook for their family? It's just going to bring happiness in your household. Calmness. Cup of tea, or your choice of your coffee. Great mix. So now we're going to put in wet ingredients.